Problem 9. Which term of the GP 2, 8, 32 up to n terms is 1,31,072? ఈ సిరీస్ లో 1,31,072 అనేది ఎన్నో టర్మ్ అవుతుంది? సో see the solution. So what is the given series? 2, 8, 32 so on. Okay, here A1 equals to 2, A2 equals to 8, A3 equals to 32. Okay, this is the GP. So what is the common ratio? R equals to A2 by A1. So A2 value 8 by 2, that is 4. R equals to 4. Now let this term is AN. So let AN equals to 1,31,072. ఈ నెంబర్ ని 1,31,072 నెంబర్ ని AN అనుకోండి. So what is the AN formula in arithmetic sequence? A into R power n minus 1. A into R power n minus 1 equals to 1,31,072. Okay. Here A is nothing but 2. 2 into R value 4. 4 power n minus 1 equals to 1,31,072. Okay. 2 how many times it cancel? 2. 2 6 are 12. 1 balance 1 1. 2 5 are 10. Again 1 balance 10. 2 5 are 10. 2 3 are 6. 2 3 are 6. 1 balance 2 6 are 12. So 4 power n minus 1. So 4 power n minus 1 equals to 65,536. Okay. So 4 power n minus 1 equals to 65,536 value is 4 power 8. 4 power 8 value 65,536. We know that a power m equals to a power n, a power m equals to a power n, then m equals to n. See, this is also from a power m equals to a power n. Then m equals to m equals to n. So n minus 1 equals to 8. Okay. So n minus 1 transpose right side plus 1. So 8 plus 1, that is 9. So n equals to 9. That means, okay, ninth term in the given GP is 1,31,072. అంటే మీకు ఈ నెంబర్ అనేది నైన్త్ టర్మ్ అవుతుంది. ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్, సెకండ్ టర్మ్, థర్డ్ టర్మ్ 32, ఫోర్త్ టర్మ్ 64 అలా చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్తే నైన్త్ టర్మ్ అనేది ఏమవుతుందంటే 1,31,072 అవుతుంది.